Scrolling through dusty trinkets at a garage sale, I stumbled upon an old typewriter, its keys worn and inviting. Intrigued by its vintage charm, I took it home, imagining the stories it once told. That night, I decided to test it, loading a fresh sheet of paper. As my fingers hovered over the keys, words appeared, unbidden and unsettling. They revealed thoughts buried deep, darker than any nightmare. Each keystroke echoed secrets I never consciously acknowledged, as if the typewriter knew me better than I knew myself. I tried to stop, but my hands were compelled to continue, uncovering memories too sinister to be true. One phrase repeating over and over froze my blood. You can't hide from your own mind. The typewriter clattered on, revealing a truth I had long suppressed. In the final line, it named the person I feared most, myself. The typewriter fell silent, leaving me staring at the evidence of my conduct.